Okay, we have had the shower head for about 2 weeks now, and I can say without a doubt this is absolutely one of my favorite home purchases to date. I installed it myself. It was super easy. My husband wasn't even home. He came home and he was like, oh my gosh, it works. So I will show you what it looks like on. So obviously you have the normal like handheld option. You can switch it to the shower head or the rain head. It's like a spa. Literally, it's like a spa. You can have like both come out. Oh my gosh. And then this, obviously that will like leak for a little bit just because there was a lot of water in there. Has so many different settings you can get. It feels like a massage. It's great. I cannot recommend this enough.
Okay, here's the shower head. It is awesome. Did not have a little wrench to take the old one off or install this one, so my husband did it, and he scratched it a little bit, but that's okay. Here is the handheld part, and it comes off and it makes all kinds of sprays. The best part for me though is this thing that I can like spray all over and clean with. And then the rain shower is awesome as well. It has a lot of water come out, way more than our other shower head. And yeah, we like it a lot. So yeah, I suggest this product. There it is.
I really love this one. Wow, perfect. And oh my goodness, both work perfectly. See, I love it.
This is my new shower head. It looks like it might be pretty good. It's like a rainfall. And then that's a little handheld one if you need it. Love you, sis.